So, good morning, students. In the last lecture, I have completed up two exercises. Now, till here, question number 7 I have completed. Now, this is 3.4. This is algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. So, what is this is written in first method is by substitution. Graphically, you have seen substitution. Directly see the example. Solve the pair of equation by substitution method, that is, it is given 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, that is 7 the pointer 7x plus minus 15y equal to 2, minus 15y equal to 2, and x plus 2y equal to 3, x plus 2y equal to 3. Now you need to use substitution method. So how will substitute? So this is for equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Always check whether it is possible to write complex, not complex, simple equation from equation number 2. Equation number 2 you can write at x plus 2y equal to 3, which implies that x you can write it as 3 minus 2y. This is 3 minus 2y, this is 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, since you get it from equation 2, you need to put it in equation 1. You are going to put it in equation 2, you will get nothing, you will get 0 equal to 0. So if you're putting this in equation number 1, which implies that 7 into, in place of x you need to substitute 2y minus, this is 15y equal to 2, 15y equal to 2, which implies a 7 3 21 minus 14y minus 15y equal to 2, and question, yes, and if you solve this, this is become the minus 29y equal to 2 minus 21 equal to minus 19, and if you further solve this, you get that y equal to 19 by 29. And if you substitute this value of y in x, that is x y is 3 minus 2y equal to 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29, you get that this is, you take LCM as 29, this is 927, 687 minus 938. Now this becomes 9, 7 minus 3, that is 449 by 29. The value of x is 49 by 29. The value of y is 19 by 29. This is by substituting the value of x and y. Here this is y is 19 by 29 and x is 49 by 29. This was the answer. Verification you can do at your own end by substituting the value of in many of the one equation, both values, and it must satisfy the equation. Question number 8. Solve question number 1 by method of substitution. Size, it was you remember that it was Aftab and his daughter question. So this question is not given directly, so I am not considering it. See the other one, this was the pair of equation. Yes, this was where you have got two values. This 2x plus 3y equal to 9. This 2x plus 3y equal to 9. 2x plus 3y equals 9, and the next equation was 4x plus 6y equal to 18. 4x plus 6y equal to 18. 6. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, equation number 1 is much simple than equation number 2. So from equation number 1, there is 2x plus 3y equal to 9, which implies that if you substitute, if you put now if you take the value of x, if you find the value of this from here, is 9 plus 3y by 2. This is value of x, and if you want to substitute this value of x in equation number 2, then what is this? It will become 4 into this x. In place of x, you will substitute the value of x from here, from equation number 3 plus 6y equal to 18. Now further by 2, this is 2. So for 2, 4 to the 4. If you put this is 9 to the 18 minus 6y plus 6y equal to 18. Now you see that this is nothing but 6 minus 7 is 0y equal to 18 minus 18 is nothing but 0. So the y is 0 by 0, which rather y has infinite values. Finite values. Either 0 by 0 can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And such as minus 1, minus 2. It has infinite values. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. This is a statement true for all y, and this is statement is true for all y, and so is the for all x also. And it it is not, and infinite values of this is can occur. Now it is shown that find the value of pair of equations of the track which was given to you. The question was x plus 2y minus 4. So x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and other one was example number 10, and 2x 2 4 minus 12, 2 4 minus 12 equal to 0. Now if you from equation number 1 and 2, so from equation 1, x can be written as 4 minus 2y. Now substituting this value of x in equation number 2, what to get is 2 into, in place of x you need to write 4 minus 2y, this is plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. From here you get that 4 to the 8 minus 4y plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, which implies that this becomes 0y, or you can even write it to not 0y, then if you cancel this 2, it become minus 4 equal to 0, but which is not possible, which implies that no value exists for any value of y or x, hence no solution. If you even solve this is from there, you will get that we can substitute value of this, and minus 4 equal to 0, which is false statement, and this equation do not have any common solution, so the two rails will never cross each other. Now exercise 3.3, that is solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So these are six examples. I will be taking 1, 4 and 5, which is the trickier. Okay, then 1, 4, 5 and 6. 2 you can do it yourself. So a trickier question I will be doing. So I'm doing question number 1, first part. What are the equation? X plus y equal to 14, x plus y equal to 14, and x minus y equal to 4. And this 4 is given. It's 4. Now by using substitution method. Now this is 1, this is 2. You can see that from 2 it is much easier than, though anyone you can solve. So I will take first plus y equal to 14. From here x equal to 14 minus y. Now substituting this value in equation number 2, what you get at x, value of x in place of x you need to write 14 minus y, minus of y equal to 14. Now from here minus y getting 2y minus 4 equal to 0, which implies that minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0, which implies that minus 2y equal to minus 10, y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 is the value of y, and if you need to find the value of x, you need to substitute this value of y in any of this equation. I am using first equation. So for x plus y equal to 14, if x need to find the value of x, then y is, you get already have got y, value of y is 5, which implies that value of x is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. to 9. So if you add 2x plus y 14, and if you subtract the 2, that is 9 minus 5 is 4. So both of the equation is satisfied. Now next tricky question I will be solving, which is little bit tough. 1, 4, 5 and 6. So another one is 4. Next question 4. What is this? 0.2, 0.3, 1.3. 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 1.3, and next is 0.4, 0.5, 2.3. 4.5, 2.3. This is 1, this is 2. Now from 1 you get the value of x is 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3, which implies that 0.2x is nothing but 1.3 minus 0.3y, which implies that x is nothing but 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. This is the value of x. So here you got the value of x. Now you substitute this value of x here, you get the value of independent y, that is 0.4. If you take the value of x as 1.3 minus 0, substitute the value of x as this by 0.2 plus 0.5 equal to 2.y equal to 2.3. Then from here you can see that this is 2. So this is 1.6 into 2 is 2.6 minus 0.6y plus 0.5y equal to 2.3, which implies that this and this becomes 0 minus 0.1y equal to 2.3 minus 2.6, nothing but 0. Minus 0.3, which implies that y is nothing but minus 0.3 by minus 0.1, minus 1 gets cancelled and this becomes 3. So the value of y is 3. Now if you substitute this original value of y in any of the one equation, I'm taking the equation number 1, it is 0.2x, that is 0.2x plus what is y? Y is 0.3y 1.3. 0.3y in place of y you write 3 equal to 1.3. So which implies that the 0.2x plus 0, this is 0.3 into 3 is 0.9 1.3, which implies that this 0.2x equal to 1.3 minus 0.9 is nothing but 0.4, and value of x is 0.4 by 0.2 is nothing but 2. So value of x and y is 2, 3. Value of x and y. So this is the answer. This is a little bit tricky. And next is fifth question. What is the fifth question? Fifth question says that root 2 root 3 0, root 2 root 3 0, and root 3 minus root x, root 3 minus root x, root 3 minus root 8y equal to 0. Now from any of the two, this is I think I'm taking question number 1 and this is question number 2. From equation number 2 you get that root 3x equal to root 8y, and the x equal to root 8 by root 3y. If you substitute this value of x, dependent x, in equation number 1, because I have taken equation number 2 to get this value, so I'm going to be substituting the value equation number 1, which implies that root 2 into x, in place of x you write root 8 by root 8 by whole rooted by 3 into y become root 3 y equal to 0. If you take the LCM, like root 2 into root 8, this is root 16 y by root 3, I'm taking LCM, this will become root 3 into root 3 y equal to 0. So you know that root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. This is root 9, which will ultimately become 3. So and then root of 16 is 4, 4y plus 3y equal to 0, which implies that value of y is 0. Putting the value of y here in any of the equation, you can directly see that 2x plus root 3 0 equal to 0, which implies the value of x is 0. So 0 comma 0 is the answer. 0 comma 0 is the answer. So this fifth is over. Now next question, you will be, I think you will be able to solve the 3 questions easily. So the next question is solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and this first and this, and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus c. Solve this and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. Now from here it's given that 2x plus 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Imply that question number 2, this is 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Hence find the value of n for which y equal to mx plus c. First you need to solve the both of the equation. So from here what you can do is you can write 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is equation number 1. I'm taking this equation number 2. This is equation number 3. So 2x plus 2y is this, which implies that value of x is, from here the value of x is nothing but 11 minus 3y by 2. So I think the equation number 2 is 4. Then putting this equation number 4 in equation number 2, which implies that 2 into x, in place of x you need to write 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4 of y equal to minus 24. Now 2 into 2 get cancelled, because 11 minus 3y minus 4y to minus 24, and from here it is minus 7y equal to minus 24 minus 11 equal to minus 35. Another y equal to minus 35 by minus 7, minus 7 minus cancelled by 35, and y value of y is 5. So if you substitute the value of 5 from here to here, what you get is value of x, that is value of x is nothing but 11 minus 3 is nothing but 3 y is nothing but 5 by 2. It implies that value of x is 11 minus 5 is 15 by 2 and minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. Now in the question it is, you need to find the value of x. This is 3. Sorry, this is not C, 3. Now from third equation, equation 3, it is given that y equal to mx plus 3. Now we know the value of x. What is value of x? Minus 2. So and value of y is 5. So 5 equal to m minus 2 plus 3. So if you substitute this, which becomes, if you take it here, is minus 2 plus 3, 5, which implies that minus 2m equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Now if you further solve this, this is nothing become nothing but 2m, sorry, it will become m equals 2 by minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. Value of m is minus 1. This one also over. Now question number 3. Form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. It is written that we need to solve only by substitution method. So how will you solve? Y substitution method. Now the first part. The difference between two numbers is 26. If one number is 3 times the other, find them. So it is given that difference of two number is 26. So question number third, first part. Let one number be x and other be y. So conditions are, so what is the condition? That difference of two numbers is, and let x be greater than y. Assume this is greater than y. So according to the question, x minus y is 26. This is first equation, and from this is given that the other number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. And always bigger number is 3 times the other, so x equal to 3y. This is 2. So now this is already given in one form. So substituting this value of x in here, which implies that is x minus y, that is x is nothing but 3y, minus of y is 26, which implies that value of 2y, 3y minus y is 2y minus 26, which implies that y equal to 26 by 2 is nothing but 13. Minus y 13. If you substitute this value of y 13, so value of x is nothing but 3 into 13 is 39. X is 39. So if you even subtract this is x minus y, that is 39 minus 13 is 26. Hence proved. This was the first condition. What is second condition? Second question, second part, it is given that the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller y 18 degree. Find them. Supplementary angle, larger one exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. So what is supplementary angle? So let one angle be x degree and other be y degree. So x, according to condition, it is given that x plus y, these are supplementary angles equal to 180 degree. First condition. Or you consider x plus y is 180 degree. Writing this. Now as for second condition, the difference of the two is larger than exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Assuming x is greater than y, so it is greater than y by 18 degree. Find the two angles. Now from equation number 2, we get value of x as equal to 18 plus y. I am taking 3. Now substituting this value of x in equation number 1, because I am using equation number 2 to get this, so I will substitute the value of x in other equation, that is equation number 1. So in place of x you write 18y, you have to write 18 plus y. So 18 plus y plus, using equation 1 and 3, you write in place of x you write this, and in place of y this y only, this is 180. So if you substitute this value, this is 2y equal to 180 minus 18, nothing but 162, which implies that y is 162 by 2 is nothing but 81 degree. So what are two angles? So y is 81 and x equal to y plus 18, which implies that x equal to y 81 plus 18 is equal to 99. So two angles are 162 and 99 degree and 162 degree. No, 8 9 2 at 60 2 at 2 81. If you 81 like this, sorry, 162 not 162 81 degree. Why I'm writing this one angle 81, this 81 degree, and 8 to 7 18, so 180 degree, so 81 and 99 degree. The answer. You need to know that supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is 180 degree, and complementary degree are the angles whose sum is 90 degree. Third, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for this. Later she buys 3 bats and this much balls for 170. Find the cost of each ball and bat, each bat and ball. So bat and ball, you need to play bat and ball. So bat and ball, BB BB BB. So let the cost of one bat and ball, so no, bat be rupees X and cost of one ball be rupee Y. Now as per condition given, as per condition given, what you can write is first condition that coach buys 7 bat and 6 balls. So 7 bat cost of one bat is X, and ball is 7 bat and 6 balls is 3800. 6 balls is rupees 3800. See, the cost of one bat is X, one ball is Y. He bats 7 bats, so 7 into X, and 6 balls, so 6 into Y, and total amount is 1300. Now next time he buys 3 bats and 5 balls, 3515 35 1750. So next time about 3 bat, that is cost, that will cost 3 into X, and 5 ball, that is 5 into Y. The total amount is 1750. Now if you see, this is question number 1, this is question number 2. You need to find this and by substitution method only. So if you using equation 2, what to get that 3x plus 5y equal to 1750, which implies that if you calculate the value of x, it is 1750 minus 5y by 3. So this is like this, and is substituting this value of x in equation number 1, because I have used equation number 2 to get this. So using this is here, so it is 7 into, in place of x you write 1750 minus 5y by 3, and it was like, what is it, was 6y 1300, 6y equal to 3800. This linear equation, this is easy to solve than the quadratic equation, where every time you have to find the value square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac and by under root. This is much simpler. So it can be written as 1750 minus 7535 plus, I am taking this LCM 3 here, so 6 to 3 are 18 equal to 3 into 3800. Now if you, this is that y 75y, we solve this, this is minus 17y, and if you take this 3 into 3800 minus 7 into 1750, this is nothing but 0 0 24 39 11 11 minus 7535, 749, 50, 7512, 12250. So if you, and this is minus 17y. So if you solve this, it becomes, so this is 12250, 11400, nothing but 50234 is 800, 850. Implies that minus 17y equal to minus 850. So which implies that y equal to 850 minus 850 by minus 17, minus minus get cancelled, 17 5s are 35, so 50. So value of y is 50. So if y is 50, then substitution of this y from here to, you need to substitute the value of y from here to this equation, that is 1750 minus 5y. So value of x is 1750 minus 5y. In place of y, you need to write 50 by 3. So this is 250. 1750 minus 250 by 3, nothing but 250. If you write this, this is 500, 1500 by 3 is nothing but 3 5 15, 500. So value of x is 500, value of y is rupees 50. Cost of bat is more than 10 times cost of ball. So the text next is fourth question. Oh my god, why are this? Taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for a distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, charge speed is 105, and for a journey of 15 km, charge speed was this. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So this is a tricky question, but it's not a tricky question. You need to analyze the question. So it says that there are two charges, fixed charge and what is a kilometer charge, charge for distance, kilometer charge. So let fixed charge be rupees x and let kilometer charge per kilometer be rupees y. So as per condition given, as per condition given, now what are the conditions? First, 10 kilometer charge was 105, so 105 was paid as a charge. What 10 kilometers? So it is fixed, charge is fixed, so it will be fixed. For 10 kilometers, that is 10 kilometers, charge was paid as rupees 105 was paid. This is equation number 1. And from equation number 2, what has become that for 15 kilometer, the charge paid 155. So 155 for 15 kilometers. X plus 2, because it is fixed charge, x will always be there, variable charge is this. So this is your second equation. Now what you need to do is first take the value of any value from either, both are variable of x only, single value, single function, single vector. So from here you can write that value of, from equation number 1, the value of x is nothing but 105 minus 10y. Now I need to substitute this value of x here, because I have taken this value from here, so I will substitute in next equation, which implies that if you write x plus 15y, this is nothing but x In place of x you need to write 105 minus 10y and plus 15y equal to 155, which implies that this is minus 10 minus plus 15, this is plus 5y, and if you 155 minus 105 is nothing but 50 rupees. So which implies that y equal to 50 by 5 is nothing but 10. Now putting this value of 10 in this equation, which will become from here, then it will goes to here, that is x equal to 105 minus 10 into y is nothing but 10. This is 105 minus 100 is nothing but rupees 5. So value of the fixed charge is rupees 5 and variable charge is rupees 10. Now in the other part is you also have to find what is have to pay if a person is traveling with for rupees for this 25 kilometer, he is traveling 25 kilometers, what he needs to pay, the amount. See, the amount he needs to pay is, see, for traveling 15, there is fixed charge and this is variable charge is equal to total cost. Fixed charge is rupees 5, that is 5, plus his variable charge which is the kilometer dependent, which is 10 into total kilometer travel will be 25. So this is total cost, and so the total cost is nothing but 250, 25 into 250 plus 5 is nothing but 2 rupees 255. So he has to pay rupees 255 to travel 25 kilometers. The answer. Now fifth, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So this is not a tough question, it's a simple question. So which question is this? Is 5, 9 by 11. So let numerator be x and denominator be y, so fraction becomes x by y. Now as per condition mentioned in the question, I have a question, that is if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, x plus 2 by y plus 2, it becomes, what is becomes 9 by 11 by 11. Now if you solve this, this is if you cross multiply this here to here, cross multiply, this is 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18. Now if you solve further, so it becomes like 11x minus 9y equal to 22 minus 18 equal to minus 4. This I am taking first equation. Minus 4. So this is, I am taking this as first equation. Now as per second equation, what second equation is saying, that if 3 is added, 5 becomes 5 by 6. That is 3 is added, it becomes 5 by 6. It implies that if you again cross multiply this, so this will become 6x plus 30, 6 12 6 18 into 5y plus 5 is 15, and nothing but this is 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18 is nothing but minus 3. This is nothing but equation number 2. Now substitute the values of x from either of the two equation and other equation, and then calculate the value of y and put the value of y, and when you Roman equation you will get the value of both the value of x and y. Solve this and you will get the answer. Now next is sixth. 5 years hence, that is 5 years from now, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the Jacob age was 7 times as his son. Find the present ages. So what we need to find is the present ages of both Jacob and his son. So Jacob and his son. let age of Jacob be x years, always write unit, and his son, what is age? Let present age, and his son present age be y years. So, as per condition mentioned in the question, so what is the question? It says that 5 years after this, Jacob will be 3 times than his son. Jacob after 5 years will be, after 5, that is x plus 5, after 5 years will be 3 times as his son. Same age is y, so this is y plus 5 after 5 years. It becomes this. It implies if you open this, x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15. Now if you take x minus 3y equal to 15 minus 5, nothing but 10, I take this to be my first equation. This is my first equation. Now this is my first condition. So first condition, I get first equation. Now second condition says that 5 years ago age was 7 times than his son. So 5 years ago. So 5 years ago means x minus 5 years ago he was 7 times than his son age at that age. So this is y minus 5. Y minus 5. So if you solve this, this will become x minus 5 minus equal to 7y minus 35. We can apply that x minus 7y equal to minus 35 plus 5. This is minus 30. This is minus 30. This is my equation number 2. Now if you solve this equation, what to get is the value of y is 40, that's the value of y is 10, and y is 10 and value of x is 40. It is 5 years from this is 5, so 7 times after 5 years. This is this is 5 years. This has become, this is 15 years and this is 45 and 35 and 45. This one 3 times. So this is if you're going to solve by putting the substitution method or any other method, you just solve this and you will get the answer. Thank you for this. Next lecture next time.